Narcan is used for the emergency treatment of opioid overdose to reverse the life-threatening effects of the opioid. It's available as a single-dose nasal spray. In this video, we will review step-by-step how to use Narcan. Before using Narcan, review the instructions provided with the medication. Now, let's review the steps on how to use Narcan nasal spray. Step 1. Check for a suspected overdose by yelling, "Wake up," and gently shaking the person. If the person does not wake up, proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Hold the Narcan nasal spray device with your thumb on the bottom of the plunger and insert the nozzle into either nostril of the person suspected to have overdosed. Press the plunger firmly to give the first dose. Remember, each Narcan device contains only one dose. Step 3. Call 911 immediately after giving the first dose of Narcan. Step 4. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. If the person wakes up, stay with them until medical help arrives. If they do not wake up or become sleepy again, give Narcan every 2 to 3 minutes until they wake up. If you have any questions about how to use Narcan, contact your healthcare provider or the manufacturer Emergent Devices, Inc.